Right, we've come out for another walk today.
We'll check this blackbirds now while we're here.
Aye.
Might have young now because it was it a week?
It's been probably just over a week, hasn't it? There's a load of birds out, mine. The weather's not brilliant today. It's cold and windy.
I've had a decent week. Like
oh, it's been a good week. Aye. Aye. Aye, but there's loads of birds. There's even swallows flying around. There's a few of them. Aye, there's one.
It's possible that this blackbirds might have young.
Aye. This nice warm weather's brought everything on.
We'll have another bit look and...
well, because we haven't been read up the path yet, so we're just gonna check check the blackbirds and then check other ones, you know, see if we can find out else. There's bound to be others, but I was finding something up here. Yeah. I'm just looking because one year we did find a missile thrushes in here. It had been predated.
No, it might be getting a bit late for them now. Normally...
They probably have young, wouldn't they? Aye, because we did find one up the moors. When was it? About 4 or 5 weeks ago. Aye, the birds were there, the nest was there, but you know, it was on the road. Aye, big young in the nest. We've actually got that video on from a few years ago. It was doing the lie. It had big young. We filmed the bird feeding them, but from a distance. We only used the other camera, you know, and we couldn't get much of a view, but we did.
Like this is just a long few hundred yards along this blackbird, so we'll check that and we'll just walk.
Yeah, and we'll check all the bits of brambles on the side of the path and that, because you know we have found hedge sparrows up there and long-tailed tits and song thrushes and that. Right, we'll just put the camera back on because
there's a little black cap. Well, it had the brown head, so it was.
It's the female one. Aye, and it just flew out of here, out of these brambles as we were walking along. Aye. We'll look to see even.
It's not covered enough yet.
No.
The brambles haven't grew properly.
They might. We have found like the bits of platforms, you know, where they first start building.
So bad,
I was in the next week or two. See, because even last year all this was latest growing, wasn't it?
It's probably just collecting stuff.
It could be. They could have just gotten in the country, because we haven't heard any as we've been out lately. Oh, there's a blackbird. But I know. People on push bikes. I'm gonna have a quick look here because I'm sure we have. There's a little wren in there. Oh no. Oh no, it's actually. I thought that, you know, that chatting noise. I thought it's a wren, but it's not. It's these. It's the little black caps. There's one up there. There's a couple of blackbirds there, like, but the other ones here now, they're alarmed that we're here. So we'll have a look here on the way back to see if we can find a platform, you know, like a nest on building, because that sounds promising. Both the birds are there.
When anybody's around, so we need to film, you know, because now all of and we're getting in film somebody.
Aye. I'll put the camera off and we'll get away along the other end. We'll check all this when we get back. Right, we've arrived at the blackbirds.
Sitting on the nest there.
It's just in the very base of the V.
Say they got really dippy eggs on very little, like, small young. It could have do you have 2 hours, I suppose.
It could have.
It's really low now. It's only like a foot off the ground. It would be easy for a dog out to get in there, wouldn't it?
It would be.
It's quite easy to see.
You just see it there between all them bits of. It's a hard one, like, but it's there. Right, we'll get away further up the path. Right, we've just come a bit further down the path here. And Philip's just.
What's this blackthorn is?
It is blackthorn, aye. Philip's just spotted this here. There's a.
I think it's another blackbird, isn't it?
It's in the back there. Like, I heard a blackbird in the background, so.
It's only like 100 yards away from there.
Trying to see if I can get a decent bit of film, decent footage of it. That would be an easy one to look into at the back and all. I cannot see.
Wait.
Oh, I can see a tail sticking at the back there, like, aye. Philip, is that not a song thrush? Do you know how it's got all the moss?
That's what I was saying. That's what I was saying.
Its tail looks like an eye.
I was thinking it could be a song thrush.
Because they use a lot of moss, didn't they? Like blackbirds didn't use as much.
That's what I wasn't sure, you know.
Because the other one, what we found, is just around the bend there. It's not even like 30 yards.
It might be a song.
I can get into that just to run the back. We can just walk in and run there and have a quick look like. We might just move. It is a song thrush. The birds just jumped off. I'm around the back of the tree. I'm just got the camera on the tripod.
Please, can I? That's another blackbird.
Aye. If I can get this camera over the top. Have a look at that. Camera focus.
Can you see how many eggs is in there?
I think there's 5 in. There is 5.
It would be a hard one to get it filming that way, maybe want to film this evening. You could maybe set the camera way back if you could get a clear view.
Right. I was just getting the camera out nicely over the top there and leaving it on for a few seconds. Right, we've come off the footpaths because we were passing way too many people.
You kind of get a minute with somebody passing
Oh, it was terrible. But just in here, as we came in, there was looks like a song thrushes. It's just through there. Hard to see, but you can see the moss and the grass. I'm going to go around the back and have a look. Let's put this other camera down. But we can hear the little black caps and the other things. There's a lot of brown, like thorn up. Aye. There's the little chip chaps as well. Quite a few of the little small birds in here. Right. Alright. Not sure if it's on building or old. It's hard to tell. I couldn't really see much on the camera when I was putting it on there. Just having a little scatter around in here. See if I can see anything else. But Philip was in here the other week and he couldn't remember seeing that. So it probably is on building. The start of a nest, because song thrushes look, they line them with mud, and that one doesn't look like it's been lined. So that's normally all you get out of them after a year or two. It's just the mud, but that one just seems to be all moss. We did find a long-tailed tit in here last year. It had been predated, so that's what's making more look around properly in here, because you get it in the gorse. But all this gorse has changed, it's all grew. It's like a lot taller than what it was. I'm just looking around just in case there's any like blackbirds, hedge sparrows. We found hedge sparrows in here before as well. A couple of years ago it had about 4 or 5 eggs. It's just nice to listen to the birds. The sounds of spring. We've come so far along that path.
It was 3 weeks when I first found that blackbirds. And so far along here there was another nest in the hedge. It was empty, but it looked like a good nest. Either blackbirds or song thrushes.
So it's just along this top path, yeah. We've gone along there.
Deep,
oh, in there, I know.
Further on back, all the trees.
We have found like a tree creepers. There was a kite nest in there one year. It was either the kite or the buzzard. And we found that, I think it was the blue tits in there one year. There was one year this was all full with water.
Further back we found the song thrushes and the hedge sparrows reached further back nearly on the...
Oh, on the other end of the path, aye. I found a few along there.
In fact, we found along this path we did find it like a white throat.
Oh, I did, aye.
No,
We found a couple of the white throats or the black caps.
it didn't have eggs, though, did it?
No. But it was fully built, ready. We have found a few along here.
We found a bee's nest.
Oh, it was about the size of a football. Run! There was me scratching amongst the brambles, and all I heard was like a hoover behind us.
We had back through it, didn't it?
I disturbed them all. Yeah. Right, we'll come down off that footpath into this bit of a dead wood.
Right. Beautiful stuff to work with, yeah, isn't it?
It is, aye. A lot of dead fowl.
It's probably dangerous right through this wood.
That tree what's split in half there. Well, that it did have a blue tits in it. The last year or the year before. We did video it. That branch there was just resting on one of them up there, and it eventually came down like. But I'll look in the splits to see if we can see anything. That's exactly where it was, just there. That looks like a tree creeper's in there now. Aye, it is, it's a tree creepers. Because it did have a blue tits in that same split. But that's built out to a tree creepers now. What am I hearing?
Right, I filmed it the last time and I couldn't see the screaming, but
aye.
I thought.
Aye, it's 100% tree creepers in there. Put the camera on, see if I can see on the screen. Your fingers are that cold, the screen's not activating properly. I cannot quite see into the thing. I haven't brought the torch, I know what it is. But there's no bird sitting on anything in there, like so. I'm just wondering if I can see it down from the top. But it actually looks like a good nest. Yeah, it's a tree creeper, as you can see the ball there, but that's all I can't see. There's no bird in. But and I can't see anything. It doesn't look like it's lined yet. The de-line them with feathers. I'll have to check that in about a week. That's another good find. There was a blue tits in here the other year, 2 years ago. Yep, well that's 100% tree creepers, because that's the kind of material what they use. All the twigs and that. Found them quite a few times. That's a good nest. Right, the pond is just over there on the top, just on the top of that ridge. And I'll have a look and walk around that way. Right, we've been in the wood there. We've come back down onto the pathways here. We're just looking down through all of these brambles and that, down on the side of the path. We're on the footpath as usual. But it actually looks and sounds like rain, doesn't it? Like, feels like rain. Yeah. It's really cold.
Compared to a few days ago.
Aye. Aye, like even yesterday it was nice and sunny. Is that a nest through there?
There's a one in there, but I think it's an old one now. Did you see it?
I think...
Back in there. See, like a post and it's see it.
Oh, right. Aye, I didn't see that one, mind I. Oh, that's well hidden. I'll just put this big camera down. Because there's another one down there. We're looking at at the same time. Might as well just have a quick look while I'm here. trudge through this. You can never tell till you get to them. It's actually a good nest, that one.
Is it?
Aye. It's got like a nice level top on it.
Aye.
But possibly a song thrush with all the moss. It's just, I would never be. Oh, there's a little hedge sparrow. Just on the top, a pair of them. Seen them?
When I came for a walk a couple of weeks ago.
Pair of little hedge sparrows there.
Now when I come back for a walk a few weeks ago, Tim,
Aye.
them hedge sparrows were flying around there because I actually went in there because they were
Aye.
knocking about. So
Aye, there was a pair of them there.
aye, exactly this place because
That one, see this nest, yeah, that looks like a hedge sparrow, isn't it?
what it is, I actually went in there when seeing them.
Aye.
This exact same spot, so the probably chances are they're nested somewhere.
That looks like a hedge sparrow, yeah, though. It's little moss thing.
So a bit like that, isn't it?
It's hard to see. I didn't know. It just looks like one when all the twigs and the moss.
I thought it was a good old one.
I'd never seen it last year though.
I was definitely picking around
It's actually a lump of muck.
I thought that was, but they were definitely picking a boot.
Aye. Aye, especially when there been a pair of them there. The good chance you're nesting in there somewhere. Be a hard one to find, like. Because the hedge sparrows can either nest reasonably up in the bramble or really low down. Now, still on the path there, but just through there you can see there's another nest in there. It looks like an old nest, you know. Oh, blackbirds or song thrushes, not too sure. Oh, there's another small one just through there. I'll just have a quick look. Yeah, it's been a... Looks like it looks quite small inside. It could have even been a little hedge sparrows. I'm not sure when they're old like that, you cannot tell. That's the great tit singing there. And that sounds like the little black cap. A golden over white throat. Quite alarmed. Oh, there it is. Aye. Wasp. And Phillips just went in there and around the back of there. So I'm not sure if he's scared of it. I'll turn the camera off and walk around and have a look. Well, we're on... Oh, your camera. That's what you salute. Right, anyways, we're on the way back and we're walking.
Past this on the way back, the blackbirds, but it's not on the nest, so...
It's
just check it, see.
It must be feeding or something, alright. Give you a good look at their eggs. Got 4 eggs in there. Back onto the path. Right, we've actually come to the end of the path. The cause just
Robin through the tree over there.
cause just going. Oh no, it's on them back trees.
Never seen that many robins. It's been a few years since we've found the robins.
Uh-huh.
That was a product.
Aye.
Yeah.
I never really went back to that one, did we?
No.
Well, the other camera, the battery died. Could be the temperature now they're cold and everything. Because they're not very good.
You've kept it on quite a bit now.
Aye, we've done a lot of work and a lot of tacking on it. But we're nearly at the end of the path now anyways.
Right.
Oh. We've actually, what, 2.5 hours, nearly 3? We've been out for a canny hike today. We only get like 10-15 minutes worth of video, didn't we, when we do them?
No.
Aye, but a lot of birds singing. Can't you overcast? But
That's what I'm saying for at least the next month or so. We're probably just going to be out here.
aye, we're going to be coming backwards and forwards because you can't really get too far, can you? That's the trouble now. Aye. But we've got this end where we're here now.
We'll probably not get up the moors and that this year.
No, there's a lot of places where we cannot go this year. But that just gives us more to do next year, really. Aye. Yeah, that's...
Where all the birds up there, Edinburgh, and that'll be next.
It'll be right now. It would have been a brilliant time to go. Especially this last week where it's been nice and warm. Right, so we'll just call this an end and we'll see you in the next one. So once again, thanks for watching.